Hi guys, welcome back to Marla's World, and today we will be doing a photo shoot. So I'm gonna take you along with me and I'll show you what I'm gonna do. So first, right now I'm home, like I took a shower and all that stuff. I try to do my hair a little bit because I have braids in and I can take them out, but like I had to rush the photo shoot kind of in a sense that the sunflower field is gonna be closed and I want to get the photo shoot done before. So yeah, I'm just trying to do the photo shoot first before they close. So basically I'm doing it today, which is September 5th, I don't know, or 4th, I really don't, maybe 4th, 5th, I don't know, but anyways, it's a Saturday. So basically I'm gonna go to the photo shoot. I'm gonna go to Hartford right now. I'm gonna get my makeup done, and after I get my makeup done, then I'm going to my mom's house. At my mom's house I'm gonna get dressed, and then after that I'm gonna pick up my cousin Nicole, who will be coming along with me. She'll be recording the content for y'all, basically because I can't record when I'm doing that photo shoot. So she's gonna be doing that, and yeah. Oops. I'll introduce her when she gets here. I didn't mean to blow the horn, but anyways, so I'll introduce you when she gets on. But for now, I'm just gonna drive and I'm gonna go to the photo shoot. I keep mixing it up, but I'm gonna drive to Hartford to get my makeup done. When I'm there, I'll let y'all know. Hopefully, I think it depends on how crazy it is. So I'll let y'all know, and if I don't record the makeup, then I'm sorry, but I'll try my best to. Yeah, and then I'll see you guys in a few minutes, basically. So I just got done with my makeup and I am loving it so much. Like, oh my goodness, can you imagine? Like I'm really feeling it. But anyways, so now that I'm done with my makeup, I am going to my mom's house so I can get dressed. But Sasha did such a good job with my makeup. Glam by Argentine Rose. She's in Hartford, so check her out if you're in the area. But her makeup be on point.
Hello, is anyone here? Clearly my mom's. Javon! Wake up! Wake up! Where's money? She's using that to hold him up. You can go back to sleep. I don't need him. Oh my goodness. Money! I guess my mom's not here. Christy!
Chrissy! Guys, as you can see, I just did my edges. Well, my sister did it. And now I'm going to pick up my friend and we're gonna go to the photo shoot place. And oh my goodness, I'm so obsessed. Like, oh. So now I'm at my cousin's house, but guess what? My sister told me I should change to the other dress like everyone was telling me. So I'm gonna iron my dress at my cousin's house. And I might just change at the field, like halfway through the shoot, something like that. But yes, I'm still loving it. Oh, say hi.
I can't find my keys, so shit.
That's Nicole. See, she's always late.
That's not true. I'm not Christy.
Wow. Yes, so guys, now I have my cousin and she'll be recording for today. She doing all that extra stuff. Like, why?
I gotta look good. Look at
You
her.
look so
look,
nice.
No, just look at her. Like, seriously. My makeup is nothing compared to this. Yes. I wish I could.
Your eye look nice.
I
When I really realize you have on makeup.
Look at her. Oh my god.
I stole Chris's earrings.
Wow.
Yes. Cause oh my goodness. So now we're gonna drive because I'm running 2 minutes late. So and I hate being
Because
late.
of her. She came. I told her to be prepared. Bring 2 dresses. Our white and the yellow. So you can change out. She was like, okay. Viewer said, use the white one only. Like, why? You're going to a sunflower field. Why not have both? Right? When they listen to me.
You mean when they don't? So I didn't realize that I didn't introduce this part. So basically we got to the sunflower field and we met with the photographer and then we went into the field and then we just got right into the photo shoot. We started taking pictures and everything while my cousin was recording the video. So this is basically her like recording me taking pictures. She wants to be my photo shoot so bad, and she's gonna be so mad when she hears that.
One more. It's ready. I like that. Okay.
Guys, so Bella came and then she was acting all shy. She's usually like really into photos and stuff because I take pictures like of her every time I have her basically. But today she wasn't having it at all, so she was running back to her mom.
No, really?
We're taking pictures, Bella. Give us your best shot.
Pose, Mama. Bella. Here, look. Bella.
Smile for the camera.
Bella, look at mommy.
Bella.
She's not having it today. So this white lady came in and
Yeah,
she's
with
like,
her
you know, you have to
breasts,
pay to
busy
get
the
in, right?
eyes, you know?
So that's what they're discussing. Because the lady was rude. She didn't ask if we
Exactly.
paid to get in or anything, or where was the wristband or whatever. She just automatically assumed. And, like, she's a Karen. Basically, that's what she was.
Marla. Not in a hiding spot. And then press it.
That is so pretty. This is pretty. Ooh, look how fun, girl. Yes. Sunflower.
Like it?
Welcome to Marla's world. It's in my bag. So, hi guys. Hi again. I did not wear this dress, but because I didn't want to change. But anyways, the photo shoot is over, and now we're going to my car. Say
I'm
hi.
gonna go to the ice cream.
Look it. Say it.
We're going to the ice cream.
We're gonna get ice cream because ice cream is my favorite thing, and apparently she wants ice cream too. So right, Bella, we're gonna get ice cream. Yeah. You want to get ice cream, Nicole?
Of course.
From where Dairy Queens, because, you know, I ain't going to no farm in no line right now. It's too hot.
We never went to the ice cream in the farm.
What you said?
And we never went to the ice cream to the farm before. So we're going to
Yeah,
the ice
I went with you before. I took you there.
cream. Yeah.
You forgot?
Yeah. And then And then we start to the truck, the ice cream truck.
My makeup is still on point, girl. Let's take a picture. Princess Bella. What are you doing, Bella?
Nothing.
How we get out of here? Go, Bella. Say hi, Bella. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
With attitude.
She's a little diva.
She sure is.
So what it looks like, oh, the sunflower field is back there. Well, they have several. So this is one right here.
Oh no, that's my favorite picture.
This one right
Come on, Bella.
here.
Or Allison. Go get Allison.
Hi,
Go
Nicole.
get her. Hi. Bella, come on. Allison.
What's her name, Bella?
Bella and Allison.
Her name is Bella.
Oh yeah.
Bella, meet Bella.
Isabella?
No, Bella, just Bella.
Just Bella? Yeah, she's Isabella. We call her Bella for short.
Oh,
You say
okay.
hi, that's another Bella.
Say hi, Bella.
All right, come on. We're blocking the traffic. Let's go.
Bella, you acting all shy for?
You waving? How old is she?
How old are you?
4. How old are you, Bella? No.
Oh.
Wow.
You see any, Bella?
You're not going there.
Yeah, I know.
You want to go in there, Bella? Why not?
She has to go in there.
Why don't you want to go in there?
You have to go in there.
Why don't you want to go?
Not me.
Why not?
Because you said so.
Excuse me. You being sassy? She just said because I said so.
It's a nice red one.
You can't say that.
Huh? We didn't take a selfie together.
No.
Nicole, we didn't take a selfie together.
No, we didn't. Are these drying up?
Yeah, I don't get that. Why would you want to get that? Hi guys, so right now we're driving to the ice cream farm. Yep, Bella's telling you. We're driving to the ice cream farm and then, what are we doing? I'm dropping these people off because I'm sick of them.
She used us, then she's bitching us.
Oh my goodness.
And then we're going to go back to the farm.
She thinks we're going back to the farm, but one was there. She was not doing anything for a good 30 minutes, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
We had to beg her. Literally.
We're going to make a cake soup.
We had to beg her to take one picture. Miss Diva acting all shy.
No, I'm going to throw you with this sticker or you don't listen.
Can't.
So yes, guys, I'm gonna go to the ice cream farm, get us ice cream, then I'm gonna drop them off, and I have to actually do some work today, so that's sad, but I guess it is what it is. I'll just do what I can,
No.
and I guess I'll vlog a little when I'm getting ice cream, but then that'll be the end of the video. So our first vlog, I hope you liked it, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and
Subscribe. Tick the bell so you get your notifications, okay?
you should have been in it though.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Ah, look at you, Bella. You're a professional, honey. So we're gonna play the superhero game, right, Bella?
Yeah.
What's the first one?
First one is Captain America.
Okay, so Captain America. For me, I'm gonna have to go with Black Panther.
Wow.
Captain America.
Iron Man.
She means the Hulk. Wonder Woman.
Superman.
Bella, what's yours?
Superman.
I said Superman.
She said Superman. You're cheating. You can't cheat in your own game.
Look at her face. You could say Batman. Spider-Man.
Good job.
Okay, then I'm gonna say Batman since you said Spider-Man.
Really?
Yes, now it's your turn. It's your turn.
Okay, a superhero. The name is there, but I cannot remember.
Oh, I know another one. Yes.
Oh my goodness, what's her name? Catwoman.
Okay, Catwoman. Go, Bella. Bella, what you got?
Black Panther.
That's cheating. I said it already. You know you're cheating too. So guys, I bought them their ice cream.
I'm happy.
Me too.
She's happy too, right, Bella? Look it. Say you're happy.
I'm happy.
Yeah. So we're driving and I'm dropping them home. Now, yep. Bye.
My duty has been complete for the day. We're gonna see her later at the cookout. Then you'll see Miss Diva getting down in her other dress.
Who says I'm going?
Yes, you are.
Nuh-uh.
Yes.
Bye.
There'll be food, games, music. And she love burger, I see.
I like burger.
Really?
Only from Wendy's.
Yeah. Bye, Princess Bella.
Bye. Thank you.
Welcome.
So, I just dropped her off, and now Bella, I'm gonna drop you off. You excited?
Yep, I'm excited, and she's coming in here into my room again.
No, I'm not going inside, baby.
Yes.
No, I'm not.
I'm gonna go over myself room there.
Your father's there.
He's gonna be out there.
He's gonna be there with you.
Is that the waiting car?
Yeah. You look so
drinking
pretty.
Water, 'cause she gave me water.
What's her name?
I don't know.
You don't know her name?
I just said that.
Her name is Nicole.
I just said that.
You said you don't know her name.
Nicole, give me water.
The way she just said Nicole, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Guys, I just realized that I didn't put any of the pictures, and that's because I don't have the pictures as yet, but the pictures will be in the next video most likely, but they will also be on my Instagram at Marla's _world on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram and you will see my pictures there first. So guys, this is the end of the video. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this vlog of me doing a photo shoot. But I really hope you did enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, and I really hope you did enjoy. Bye.